Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009, Offences in Information Technology Sector. Title 2. Infringements on Other Properties. Chapter 1. Offences in Information Technology Sector. Article 430, Accessing or maintaining access to automated data processing systems. The acts of fraudulently having access to a system of automated data processing or maintaining access to it is punishable by an imprisonment from 1 month to 1 year and a fine from 100,000 Riels to 2 million Riels. When the act has resulted in either deletion or modification of the data contained in the system, or an alteration of the functioning of the system, it is punishable by an imprisonment from 1 year to 2 years and a fine from 2 million Riels to 4 million Riels. Article 431, Act of obstructing the operations of automated data processing system. Any act of obstructing the operations of the automated processing system of data is punishable by an imprisonment from 1 year to 2 years and a fine from 2 million Riels to 4 Riels. Article 432, Fraudulent introduction, deletion or modification of data. The fraudulent acts of introducing, deleting or modifying data in an automated processing system are punishable by an imprisonment from 1 year to 2 years and a fine from 2 million Riels to 4 million Riels. Article 433, Participation in a group or agreement to prepare for the commission of offences. The participation in a group or in a knockout agreement established in order to prepare for the commission of one or several offences specified in the present chapter is punishable by an imprisonment from 1 year to 2 years and a fine from 2 million Riels to 4 million Riels. Article 434, Attempt. The attempt to commit misdemeanors specified in this chapter is punishable by the same penalties as misdemeanors. Article 435, Additional Penalties, Categories and Duration. For the felonies and misdemeanors laid out in the present chapter, the following additional penalties may be pronounced. 1. Deprivation of certain civil rights definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 2. Prohibition against pursuing a profession during which time the crime was committed in course of or during the occasion of pursuing of this profession definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 3. Confiscation of any instruments, materials or any objects which have been used to commit the offense or were intended to commit the offense. 4. Confiscation of objects or funds which were the subjects of offenses. 5. Confiscation of incomes or properties earned from the offences. 6. Confiscation of utensils, materials or movable objects at the residence where the offence was committed. 7. Confiscation of one or several vehicles belonging to the convicted person. 8. Posting the decision of sentence for a period of not more than 2 months. 9. Publication of the decision of sentence in the newspapers. 10. Broadcasting the decision of sentence by all means of audiovisual communications for a period of not more than 8 days.